Hi everyone, my name is Geneva Oliveira, a third-year student of Bao Community College studying Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wolfram Alpha application. But first, let us define what is Wolfram Alpha.
What is Wolfram Alpha?
Wolfram Alpha is a semantic search engine that was invented by Stephen Wolfram and has been continuously developed since 2005.
Unlike Google search, the goal of a search on Wolfram Alpha is not a list of hyperlinks in which users find answers to their request, but a compilation of facts as a specific results, similar to Google's knowledge graph, which was further developed with the Hummingbird update. The search engine Wolfram Alpha has been able to handle specific questions since its launch and is thus a pioneer of the semantic search. First, let's go to Play Store and download the Wolfram Alpha application. As we can see, we need to pay 155 pesos to get this app. But I found something where we can download this for free. So let us go to Google and search Wolfram Alpha free download. And let's click the first link. Let us wait. Then scroll down. We can see the download Wolfram Alpha. Let's click it and wait. So let's scroll down again and just wait. Then click download and let's wait for it to finish. So after downloading, let's click install and it will be installed for free. There is no need to pay for 155 pesos. Then there, click open and let's explore the Wolfram. So Wolfram Alpha, or the search engine, offers its users numerous special functions like calculations. Simple and even more complex calculations can be carried out with Wolfram Alpha. The search engine calculates matrices, is capable in algebra, has a command of trigonometry, and can also use number theories. In addition, Wolfram Alpha can also handle chemical formulas and physical calculations. Moreover, the search engine solves finances and related computing operations. For example, we want to calculate an equation. Let's just type the equation here and let's wait for the answer. So we will type x plus the quantity of 3x minus 2 equals 18. Now, when searching here in Wolfram Alpha, you need an internet connection. So Wolfram Alpha is now computing for the answer. here are the results. So the input, we put x plus 3x minus 2 equals 18, and the result and the plot, there is a graph and alternate forms, number line, and the solution. So let's see the step-by-step solution. So, possible intermediate steps. So, solve for x. 3x minus 2 plus x equals 18. So, you need to group like terms. 3x minus 2 plus x equals 3x plus x minus 2 equals 18. Add 2 to both sides and then divide both sides by 4. And we will get the greatest common denominator. And then the answer. So let's try another equation. So the equation would be x over 5 plus 7 equals negative 3. So let's wait for the answer, and the Wolfram alpha is computing already. So we put the equation x over 5 plus 7 equals negative 3. Then there is also a plot and alternate forms. X over 5 plus 10 equals 0 and x plus 35 over 5 equals negative 3. So there's also a number line and the solution. So the answer is x equals negative 50. So how come? So let's see the step-by-step solution. So solve for x. Put each term in x over 5 plus 7 over the common denominator 5. So x over 5 plus 7 equals x over 5 plus 35 over 5. So to get the 35, we need to cross multiply. X over 5 plus 35 over 5 equals negative 3. Multiply both sides of x plus 35 over 5 equals negative 3 by 5. So we will get 5 times the quantity of x plus 35 over 5 equals negative 3 times 5. Then we get x plus 35 equals negative 3 times 5. 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. So x plus 35 equals negative 15. Then subtract 35 from both sides. So x plus the quantity of 35 minus 35 equals negative 35 minus 15. 35. Another feature is information on nutritional values of food. If you enter the name of a food into the Wolfram Alpha search, you will get the corresponding nutritional values in the form of tables and graphics as a result. For example, fat-free. Let's search the fat-free milk. And let's see what's information about this. So here are the results. So assuming skim milk. Skim milk 1 cup. So serving size 1 cup 260 grams. Total calories 93. Fat calories 0. Percentage daily value. Total fat 0 grams 0%. Saturated fat 0 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 5 milligrams. Sodium 137 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 13 grams. Dietary fiber, sugar 13 grams, protein 9 grams, phosphorus 19%. So average daily value ranking. So mean value, percentage daily value, and range. Calcium 325 milligrams, 32%, 300 to 350 milligrams. So phosphorus 188 milligrams, 19% daily value, 0 to 250 milligrams. Protein, 9.2 grams, 18%, and the average highest nutrients compared to other foods. So, calcium, amount, percentage, daily value, food distribution, rank, potassium, amount, daily value, foods distribution, rank, and then the phosphorus, amount, percentage, daily value, foods distribution, and rank. Next is the calories. There is also carbohydrates, fats and fatty acids, protein and amino acids, and vitamins, minerals, esterols, physical properties, and that's all about fat-free milk. There are lots of informations we can get when we search Wolfram Alpha. So next is the egg. Egg. Assuming egg is a food, so we can see there the nutrition facts of an egg, the calories, the total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrates, protein, vitamin A, iron, vitamin E, riboflavin, vitamin B12, phosphorus, zinc, calcium, vitamin D, thiamine, and vitamin B6, folate, magnesium. Then the average daily volume ranking, cholesterol, riboflavin, protein, niacin, total carbohydrates, average over different types of egg. Average highest nutrients compared to other foods. Distributions from log nutrient varies. Carbohydrates, fats and fatty acids. There's also protein and amino acids and vitamins, minerals, esterols, alcohol content, physical properties, and so on. Another features are calculation of orbits, conversion of units of measure and time differences. The semantic search engine can convert dimensions or display different time zones. For example, we want to check the Philippine time zone. Just type Philippine time zone on Wolfram Alpha. Then you will see the result. So Philippines time, current time 11:12 and AM, then Manila, Davao, Cebu City, Cebu. Currently at the same time as Philippines are these countries. So we have the same time with those countries. Another, let's check the American time zone. So United States time zone are these. Another feature of Wolfram Alpha is information. Wolfram Alpha provides structured results on educational institutions, socio-demographic data, materials, culture and media, as well as geographical facts and institutions. Search results from Wolfram Alpha are also displayed by the search engine DuckDuckGo. If we want to know about the socio-demographic of a country, we just need to type the socio-demographic. So the result is The socio-demographic of the United States. City population to estimated way back 2010, there are 130 people in El Socio, Texas, United States. So, we, if we want to know more about the Philippines, we just need to type Philippines socio-demographic and we will see the results. So, full name, Republic of the Philippines. Full native name, Republika ng Pilipinas. Then, GDP. Total area, 300,000 square kilometers. Land area, 298,170 square kilometers. Continent, Asia. So, population, estimated way back 2019, there are 108 million people. And population density, 363 people per square kilometer. Population growth, 1.36%. Then languages, Cebuano, Tagalog, Ilocos, Hiligaynon English, ethnic mix, Tagalog, Cebuano, and Bisaya. Literacy rate, 98.18%. So capital city is Manila. Largest city is Manila, followed by Davao, Cebu City, and etc. So currency unit, currency code, economic properties, GDP, 376.8 billion per year. GDP at parity, real GDP, GDP per capita, GDP real growth, Gini index, and so on. So the employment there, unemployment rate, long-term unemployment rate, labor force, then the business, media and telecommunications, transportation, education, healthcare, UN Human Development Index, and then the Wikipedia summary about the Philippines. Officially, the Republic of the Philippines is an archipelagic country in Southeast Asia, situated in the Western Pacific Ocean. It consists of about 7,641 islands that are broadly categorized under three main geographical divisions from north to south: Luzon, Visayas. So let's proceed to another feature of Wolfram Alpha. So next feature is evaluation of Facebook profiles. Wolfram Alpha offers something special with this function because this feature allows users to analyze their own Facebook profile in terms of reach, links to other users, or likes. The evaluation of Facebook profiles can also be called personal analytics. This application can also be a dictionary wherein you can find definitions of a Facebook profile. So when I search Facebook profile, so these are the results, and now I will search Facebook only. Then we can see here there are lots of informations about Facebook. So in Facebook or FB, latest trade, fundamentals and financials, recent returns, price history. There's also recent returns, price history, daily returns analysis, projections, company information of Facebook, IPO date, location, website, and company logo, and then the chairman of the board and chief executive officer, Mark Zuckerberg. So there are lots of The next feature is comparisons. The search engines offer the option to compare different aspects, persons, countries, or issues. Another feature is image analysis. Users can also upload images and have them analyzed by Wolfram Alpha. So the last feature is file analysis. Similar to images, the search engine can also be used to analyze files. All areas covered by Wolfram Alpha can be found here with separate examples at wolframalpha.com.
That ends our tutorial video, and I hope you learned something from this Wolfram Alpha application tutorial, and I hope you use this in a right way and only if needed. So that's all. Thank you.